Earth, our home, hosts over 1 trillion species. Yet it is just one planet orbiting a star, the Sun. The Sun, in turn, is one among 100 to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy, which itself is just one of up to 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. But how big is the universe? In its infancy, the universe was an unimaginably hot, dense state. As it expanded and cooled, fundamental particles like quarks and electrons formed. Within seconds, quarks clustered into protons and neutrons, the building blocks of atomic nuclei. Minutes later, these nuclei fused, creating the first elements, hydrogen and helium. Over 380,000 years, the universe cooled further, allowing electrons to orbit nuclei and form complete atoms. Fast forward 9.26 billion years, and leftover star debris coalesced to form Earth, a planet containing everything from massive mountains to tiny grains of sand. A grain of sand, just 0.5 millimeters across, is 5 million times larger than a hydrogen atom. Yet compared to Earth, that grain is minuscule, roughly 3.92 billionths of Earth's diameter. Now consider the Apollo 11 mission. Traveling at 7,800 meters per second, it took 3 days to reach the moon, 384,000 kilometers away. If you drove at 100 kilometers per hour, it would take 160 days. To reach the Sun, 149.6 million kilometers away, it would take over 170 years by car. Even at these distances, we're barely scratching the surface of the cosmos. The Oort Cloud, the edge of our Sun's gravitational influence, lies 100,000 to 200,000 astronomical units from the Sun. This distance is nearly 30 trillion kilometers. Yet even this pales in comparison to the vastness of the galaxy. The nearest star, Proxima Centauri, is 4.24 light-years away, or 267,000 astronomical units. Traveling there at 21,000 kilometers per hour, the speed of NASA's spacecraft to Mars would take over 2 million years. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, spans 100,000 light-years and contains hundreds of billions of stars. It would take the Parker Solar Probe, the fastest human-made object, 170 million years to cross it. Nearby, the Andromeda Galaxy, 2.5 million light-years away, is on a collision course with the Milky Way in 4 to 5 billion years. Yet the Milky Way and Andromeda are just 2 of the 54 galaxies in the local group, which spans 10 million light-years. The local group itself belongs to the Virgo supercluster, a collection of 1,300 to 2,000 galaxies spread across 100 million light-years. The observable universe stretches 93 billion light-years in diameter. If the Milky Way were a grain of sand, the observable universe would be a mountain 930,000 grains wide. Even at the speed of light, crossing the observable universe would take 93 billion years. Thanks to the ongoing expansion of space, distant galaxies are moving away faster than the speed of light. Over time, the stars and galaxies visible today will fade beyond our reach, leaving a dark, quiet universe. For now, we can marvel at the stars, the galaxies, and the vastness of space. It's a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos and the incredible scale of the universe.